This isn't CGI, this animal literally changes color in real life. The chameleon doesn't just change color to hide, it changes color to talk. When angry, it glows bright red. When calm, it turns cool green. Its eyes move in two different directions, giving it a full 360-degree view. And its tongue, it shoots out faster than a bullet, stretching twice its body length. Some species can even match colors they've never seen before thanks to tiny crystals under their skin. It's not just camouflage, it's mood, communication, and art all at once. Subscribe for more mind-bending creatures.